Sada Bahar Daewoo Services.
Welcome to our YouTube channel Sada Bahar Daewoo Services. Today we are here again with new bus review. Watch till end this video, then you can know about its features. Share your feedback in comment box, and if you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe. Hino Road Bullet Bus by Sada Bahar Daewoo Services. To buy one business class. Most luxurious and comfortable seats with leg room. Traveling in style. Riding with Bullet Bus by Sada Bahar Daewoo Services. Driving towards success. How the expert drivers cooperative staff. If you like this review, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Sada Bahar Daewoo Services.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Sada Bahar Daewoo Services.